Hello everybody, welcome back to the Metal Scrapper channel. Today we will be making some bathroom bullion again, and today I will going to melt brass. So let's see what we got and weigh it up. So we will be melting this. How much does it weigh before the melt? Let's see. You just not able to see that. You guys can see this. 3.955 kilos. So let's melt it up and see how much we have after the melting. Alright, so we have 6 beautiful ingots. Let's quench them and clean them up. Right, it's getting dark already and my batteries are almost empty, so let's hurry. Let's first quench the old ones, the first ones. Here come the last ones. Another big one. There we go. Right, be right back with some cold water. Right, so let's check them out. Big one. They're looking real good. I think these will clean up very nice. Second big one. We'll clean those up and show them with some more light inside. Be right back. So, I'm now in the shed with some more light, and I have stamped them and cleaned them. Oh wait, this is a wrong bar. It's aluminium bronze, excuse me. I have also did the other bars, all the bar stamping. Like this one with 999 fine copper. It's from the monster cables. It's pure copper. But we're now back with the bathroom bullion. So we got the bathroom bullion. Stamping did not go very well this time. But I think you can see it. This is one of the big bars. So this came all out of my bathroom. Very happy with this. And this is the second big one. We will weigh them all up. Bathroom bullion. This is the first medium-sized one. With a very nice smooth bottom. And a poor attempt to stamp them. Second one. That it came out real nice. Some nice brass bars. From trash to treasure. And you can hear it. Some nice sounds. Really like them. Bathroom bullion. Right, so let's weigh them up. I'd say we will measure them up separately this time. So it's 0. Let's first start out with the smallest one. It's 184 grams. Then the second one, 267. Now let's see, I think this one, 556. And now this one, 649. And let's see, I think this one first, 856. And I think this will be the heaviest one, 955 grams. So total is 3,467 grams, and I do not know the exact starting weight anymore. It was 3.9 7 or something. So let's say we have a loss of total of 500 grams, half a kilo. But there was a lot of steel inside, so I think it's a nice result. Almost 3.5 kilos of brass. So that was it. Next week there will be aluminium bathroom bullion, and it will be the last of the bathroom series. And then I think I will go to cast some nice stuff. So thank you all for watching, and I see you next week. Bye bye.